Alright. Looks like we're streaming now. Oh geez. Let me turn off the sound on these. Let's see. Everything seems like it's working. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that button. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh, this is a little crooked. There we go, that's better. Alright, let's see what types of stuff I have left. Oh, a little tired. Not a great way to start. I don't know how to do these VIP ones that I accepted. Maybe we can figure that out. Okay, so I have to... there we go. I lost my screen for a second. Alright, so let's go to here. Okay, so I have them in here, and I have to assign them. Okay, so what kind of missions do I have for them? Suborbital spaceflight on Kerbin, and... what is the travel itinerary? I guess it's really just the suborbital flight on Kerbin? What is this one? Same thing. Okay. Alright. So if I go... how do I assign them? I don't get it. How do I assign them? Is it in here? I don't think it is. I don't really need to do this. I just need to load and save this one. Why do I have... I don't know why that one's saved. Fuck that one. Inventory. How do I assign people? It's fine, don't save. There's definitely something I'm missing here. Open the crew tab. I don't know where the crew tab is. Oh, here. Can I just put one of them in it? Does that work? And then do a launch? Oh. I don't have any command and control. Maybe I can't do these yet, because I don't have a way to control it and put people in it. Let's see if I can get... I guess I need to get the... this one, with like the crew cabin. Do I have enough? Yeah, I do have enough. Okay. Alright, let's see if that works then. So I can take this, and then we can go... Where would that be? In... Oh jeez, I'm yawning so much. Today's been such a long day. Okay, here we go. Utility. Then we have a crew cabin. Oh wait. Just jettison the crew cabin. Okay. So now if I go to crew, I can put a pilot in. Take Valentina. And I guess let's throw an engineer on there too. So we can do that. I don't know if that makes sense or not. I don't know if we need more parachutes for this. Hopefully I don't kill people. What do we have in here? Radiator panels. I guess we have structural pieces now. What is this? Oh, that makes it big cone. What does big cone connect to? Everything I have is small. I don't know what the point of that is. Alright, let's see if this works. Hopefully I don't kill people that aren't my own pilots and stuff. Let's see. What is this? Great, my... Oh, that's why. Yeah, close the dock. Sorry, my, text-to-speech isn't talking. This is, Kerbal Space Program. You build rockets and launch them places. Um, chat. Is that fixed chat? Oh, great, there we go. Okay, now I should be able to hear. There we go. Restream got bought by Razer, and now it's like all fucked up. So I'm not getting like my notifications or anything that I used to get. Let's see. Where am I supposed to take this person? Suborbital phase space flight. Okay, that's all it is. It's just a suborbital space flight. It doesn't tell you where to go. All right. So let's see if this works. We're going to... This is all staged correctly? Yep. Let's go max. Launch the rocket. Send it up as high as I can. Oh, I forgot to put SAS on. That's why it's fighting me. I'm almost out of fuel. Okay. Is this... No, this doesn't go into suborbital spaceflight, I guess. Did I go too high? I'm not even sure what to do, what I'm doing here. Um, I think I went too high for... Oh, come on. Why is my parachute not? There we go. Um, I guess I just took the parachute off. That was a mistake. Oh, did they not get put into the cabin? Is that why? Bridge vehicle assembly. Oh, yeah. Okay. Is that why? Oh wait, I should have put more shoots on this thing. Okay, it does show both of them. For to assembly, let's put some more shoots on. These things. Let's try these ones. Okay, let's try this again. Oops, I always forget to stage this properly. Am I missing something? I'm not sure. Seems like I'm missing something because it's not going green. Is it only complete once it's back down? Nope, I guess not. Oh, this is confusing. I wish they were more clear about stuff like this. I think I went too high. So that one I went up pretty high, I think. Let's try again. Is the crew the same? Yes, it is. Okay. Can I put both of these people on there? Get two of them in one shot? Alright. Wait, what? What did I do? I hit the wrong button? Okay, they're both in there. Launch. Or maybe I didn't go high enough? Maybe that's what the problem is? Let's try just going straight up. Think I might need more. 6, 7. Oh no, now it's going down. Okay. Revert flight to vehicle assembly. Let's add one more of these and see if that does it. Think I need to go higher. Maybe. Hope the crew is still loaded in and I didn't fuck that up, but I'm probably did. Okay, no, they're all there. Good. So we're gonna go max, launch. It's heavier, but I have more fuel. Why does it seem like it's going so slow? Okay, it's going pretty quick if that's happening. I don't think we got fire last time, did we? Let's see how far this one goes up. So we're at 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, yeah, so it's 70 kilometers. Let's see if we can get him back down safely now. Oops, I forgot to fix these again. I have... Yeah. No? Crew hatch. Thought I put a thermal thing on here. Okay, it's on its way back down. What just blew up? Oh, there we go. Then butt side down. Alright, so that takes care of both of those. That was a good one because that took Took both of them in one shot. Now that I know what I need to do, it's not going to be that big of a deal. As long as this lands well enough, which it looks like it will. Yeah. Cover vessel. Alright, so that's two in one shot. That's a good deal. Okay. So now there should be no active. Alright. Let's take a bunch more of these. That's the last one. Okay. So we have conduct atmospheric surveys. Ooh, how do we do multiple in one? Okay. Okay, this will be easy. Oops. This will be easy because we just did this one and this one. We'll do two at a time. And then we have one more. Alright. We can just use the same rocket over and over again. That'll knock those out pretty quick. Oh, but which ones are they? Because it needs to be the two right ones, right? So, like, if we look at this one. Genpont and Grahat. Okay, Genpont and Grahat. Genpont and Grahat. Okay. Launch. This should be pretty easy to get these knocked out real quick. Then we can move on to some of the other ones. I'm not sure how these work, where you have like three of them. Like, do I need an airplane for these, or do I need to change direction somehow? I don't know. Not worth worrying about at the moment. This one seems easier because they're all close and clustered together. But like these ones, I don't know how those are supposed to happen. So let's see. Okay. Let's turn on SAS, max. Oh, I forgot to fix this again because I always forget to fix my staging. All right, we should be good now. So max it, just launch it. Let's fast forward it. So it's this one here that we're doing. Genpont, and Grahat. Ooh, we went pretty high up, 109, 110. Okay, we're coming back down. I already have my parachutes sticking out, so They should just kick out once it's low enough. Let's pay attention to when we can actually kick those out. I mean, it works like this. 30, 20. Yeah, I think that's probably pretty good. It's pretty much right after. Alright, let's see if we can let it land top down. I don't know if this is gonna work. I might have to redo it. Oh, it flipped back over on its own. Nice. So I didn't have to fuck around with it when the parachutes were out. That's good to know. There we go. Cover vessel. That should take care of those VPs. Okay, let's just check here. Oh, God, I'm so tired. So next to are Elon, fuck Elon, and Nealon? Elon's Nealon? Elon's Nealon for who? Okay, let's fix the staging this time. So I don't have to do it while it's in flight. Save. Launch. This is just pretty repetitive at this point, but it's an easy way to make some money and get things further. Alright. Max it out. SAS. Launch. Can probably save some fuel and cut it before it gets all the way to the end. But I don't think there's really much point to it because the there's a good chance I might not get far enough into the range that I need to be in. Next stage. Oh, I didn't have this going fast. Oops. 50,000. 60,000. There we go. 70,000. 80,000. We can just kick that off already. Yeah, I'm really not sure how I'm supposed to do all three of these things in one shot. Unless it's like fly over one, drop a rocket, fly over the other, drop a rocket. I'm not really sure. Let's see when that kicks out. When that parachute takes over, does it pull it back the right way? Should do it shortly. Right around around 1,000. There we go. Yep, flips it over. Cool. All right. Elon Nealon is done. Can do Sisby's travel itinerary. It's the same thing. There we go. Another one down. All right, let's see. Do we have another VIP one that we can take? Oh, that's 3. Orbit Kerbin is one we haven't gotten to yet. Which I should be able to get to an orbit now, I think, with the stuff that I have. Okay, I think we're gonna have to just do one. Unless I do... Oh, unless I put some more cabin space. Then I could do all of them at once. Maybe I should try that. Let's try it. Let's take that off. View out of the way. And we'll get another cabin. Double cabin. Let's take these and put them down a little lower. Just 2 sets, one on each thing. I think that makes sense. And then I think we should be okay because we're going well above. So let's see if this just works. Traveler, I spelled that wrong. No one ever said I'm the brightest. That's okay though. Okay. SAS, full power. Let's see if it makes it. Hopefully this isn't too much extra weight. Might not get as high. Yeah, I might have to do it again. Maybe, maybe not. 7, 8, 9, 10. Does that do it? No. Alright, need more rocket. Okay. Let's change this up a little bit. Oh, that's weird. I guess they're closer. It's alright, whatever. Good enough. But let's do... Put that there. I'm gonna put these on there. Yeah. Take this off. We don't need the staging for that. And then we're gonna put these on instead. No, not that many. Just, no. Okay. that. All right. And we're gonna go that. Whoa, what the fuck? Why? There we go. The roundy rounds. Okay. Let's see if this works. This might be kind of too tall and okay. Oh, did I not put them? Can I undo stuff? Hang on. Because I didn't put them in last time. I just put the thing on and then flew. Don't save. Load. Let's try this again. But actually put the people in. Because that would work. That would make a difference, right? Alright, let's try it. Before I go crazy building some crazy rocket that doesn't actually work, let's try one more time. Because of course I forgot to see if it actually works for them now. Because I did get above 70,000. That's what it was at before. Unless the weight of them makes it not high enough. I don't know. Yeah, it's slowing down. 6. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So 4 people is too much weight for a single rocket. So let's go back to the plan I had. Maybe 3 is enough? No, let's go 4. Okay. Nope. Put a trust in my gut. Oh, and then we're just taking this. Nope. Why do you keep doing that? What the fuck? Okay. So roundy rounds. This is probably going to be overkill. Okay. I did not check staging again. I always forget to check staging, so that. Oh. There we go. Alright, so SAS on. Max thrust. don't understand why going faster time-wise makes the rockets like shove themselves inside the crew cabin. Okay. This time we should be able to. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be high enough. Let's tumble off. 50, 60. Oh yeah, they're definitely gonna make it. 100. We're gonna go high this time. 200? Maybe? No, probably like 175. 150. 150,000. 154, 55-ish. Oh no, that is not good. That was not good. Some of them survived? What? Why are some? Okay, so that did not work. It just flipped around. How can I prevent that? Because I need at least 3 spots for. Hmm. How can I combat that? Do I just not go up as high? Do I put more parachutes? These can't go off until 5,000. When can these go off? Whoa, you didn't mean to do that. Same thing, 5,000. Um, how do I fight that? How do I combat that? How do I not do that? Maybe that's what I do? Stick a tank on here. Put a coupler, maybe? This is the giant one, right? Yeah. This makes sense with this. Where is that thing? This thing. Is in the coupler batches, right? Yeah, that makes sense then. Alright, let's try this. I don't know what else to do. Hmm. Stop popping up. Oh, fuck off. What are you doing, Discord? I hate that it automatically changes. There we go. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's cut the... We'll cut the, throttle a little early. Oh, what the fuck? Did I kill people? Are they just gone? Hang on. Oh, they're all in there. So why doesn't it show them when I'm in the screen? I guess it only shows 3 of them? What? I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, okay, there's an arrow. I didn't see that. It's like, what the fuck? Alright, let's try this again. SAS on. Oh, I did not stage it again, of course. Oh, I thought I put a coupler on here. That's not a coupler? Hang on, what the fuck did I do? Let's fix the staging now. So we need one here. That's single rocket. One here, that's that. And then one more, that's those. So it's those launch, those let go. That launches, that lets go. 4 parachutes, 1 parachute. Okay. Let's try it again. And this time we're gonna try and use the rocket, the second rocket, to slow down our descent. Okay, we're gonna go full to start off with. SAS on. We're gonna go down to, say, a little less than quarter fuel. Oh wait, can't do that. Can I go this one? Alright, that seems okay. I wish you could tell where the apex was instead of having to just assume. Oh, oh, that wasn't what I meant to do. Okay. That might not have been enough. No, that was not enough. I guess because of the extra weight. Okay, let's just leave it on full blast then and see if that gets us there. Okay. SAS on, full blast. Let's just leave it. Is there a way to tell how high it's gonna go? G-force is in the green. Heading is 195. Okay. Zoom up to the top. Should be able to make it high enough. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, that's high enough. Then we're apexing. Then we start coming down. And not going too fast here. Let's go. Don't want to go super high. Oh, it's already up. Let's go like mid. No, no, no. What the fuck? No. What the fuck just happened? Oh, I must have hit spacebar. Damn it. I hate that I do that. I feel like spacebar is launch, but I didn't need to. Okay. All right. Max T launch. Try this again. See if I can actually get up there. It was just enough fuel to get us to the end. Okay. Okay. Zoom in. So let's drop this down. It's not gonna go quite so high this time. All right, let's see. So we're dropping down now. Let's actually drop this a little lower. Seems to be helping. Might need more fuel for this thing. This seems to help, though. Oh, there goes that. I think that might have worked. I think that worked. Let's fast forward, see. It should kick in any second now. Yeah, those cut it down a lot. Yeah, so that worked out pretty well. Oh, that was still too fast for the thing on the bottom, but we made it and no one died. Oh no, two people died? I don't know. Let's see if he still gives it to us. Okay, they're all still there. I don't know why they weren't showing. Yeah, that knocked those out. Okay, so these are all three. Let's take some of these ones, just so we have some one star things to do. Okay, we have 43 there, so we're getting close to being able to get another thing. How many more can we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what do we have here? That one seems pretty easy overall. That one too. Alright, let's accept this one. And oh, that's all we can take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Let's see. Can we upgrade anything? Can upgrade this. That gives us research science limit 100. This will bring us up to 500. Astronaut complex upgrade required for off-world EVA surface samples. And resource transfer available. What that's like? Enter. Okay. Orbits visible in map. DSN power. We're gonna need that eventually. Max parts. I'm not even doing that stuff yet. We have 7 contracts. This is unlimited. And we can just grab them all and do them. This allows us 12. I'm not even maxing out what I have now. Kerbals can perform EVAs. Kerbals on EVA can place flags. What is this one? One strategy, this goes up to 30, and max commitment. Let's see, can I even do any more of these? I can do that one. It's just giving us reputation though. This costs more of that than I have. That costs more of that than I have. That costs more. I don't have enough reputation points. Can I cancel strategy? It takes 5% reputation gains and yields money for each 1 unit of reputation. I don't know. Let me check something. I don't know if I can reactivate these strategies. Okay, so I would need to reactivate it. Leave it as is for right now. This gives us bigger vessels. This gives us more parts in basic action groups. I don't know what a basic action group is. Okay, yeah, I don't really need that right now. Let's look at this here. Ah, okay. Which I'm not using most of those. What I'm not sure how to do right now is like these objectives where it has 3 different objectives. Do I need to complete all of these in one flight, or do I just have to complete all of them in flights successfully? Like, can I do one at a time? Because it's like they're in a triangle, and I don't know how you're supposed to get all 3 of them in one flight. But if it's one flight for each, or like I can do a couple in one flight and then the third one in another, that makes sense to me. I'm just not sure how this works, because everything else that I've done has had one objective instead. As far as like flying over certain places, anyway. Yeah, I figured a plane is probably easier, but I don't have plane stuff yet. I haven't researched that. So Um, I'm gonna take a lot of stuff off here because this has something on it. I don't know. Let's just get rid of all of it. And then I need. So I'll throw a heat shield on. I don't know if I need one or not, but better safe than sorry. Probably like 3 of these. And then I have to do, I think, temperature and pressure missions. So I guess I'll put those on just to have them. No, I don't need 4 of them. And then, is there anything else that I need? I think that's all I need. Let's see if I can get it. I was doing a bunch of these earlier today, offline, like not on on stream, but I don't know. Yeah, like these two, I could probably do both of them, or maybe it's these two. I'm not sure. These 3 look like they're probably all fairly easy to get all of them. I'm not sure though, because we have to do. What are these ones? Scott's Overlook. So many locations right now. Scott's Overlook, Gamma, Beta, and Alpha. So that's these ones here. But I guess I need more thermometers to do all 3 of them. Eh, let's see what happens. Showing up on my map? I don't see them. Did I not activate them? Oh, no, I didn't. But I thought that when you measure, if you remeasure, it overwrites the temperatures or the readings. I feel like that was a thing that happened to me before. Oh, okay. None of these are activating. Why aren't they activating? Activate. Can you see that one? Oh, that one shows up. All right, I guess we'll just do that one for now, since it's actually coming up. This one's pressure. What is this one? Oh, okay. They're really close though, so I'm like, I don't know which way to point for them. So this is FZR. Okay, so it's these ones. So I need to get to 16 and take a pressure reading. Okay, let's start with that one. Yeah, I did notice that. Mm, Did I pass it? I wasn't paying attention. I don't know if I'm in the right place or not. Uh, I'm leaving. Oh no, it's too late. I already left it. I wasn't paying enough attention. ADHD took over. All right, try that again. Okay, so yeah, and it also tells you up top near the like the atmosphere and your altitude and stuff like that, but I just was distracted by other things, looking at other things on the screen, so I kind of missed it. That tends to happen a lot because I'm a little too ADHD for this game sometimes, but doesn't make me want to stop playing or anything like that. Go a little down too much. Don't want to go into the ground. It's a little too low. See if we can get it back up. Okay, so like it's flashing now, so that means I can do it. Come on, let me hit the thing. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I almost miss it because I'm like looking over here and like looking, trying to look at the where the thing is on the ship, and then all of a sudden I'm like past it and it's too late. Ooh, it's like jumping too much. There we go. It's because I had it on way too high. Okay, so take pressure readings should be done. And pin the part action window using the button on the top right. The part action window? I don't see a part action window. I see messages, resources. Or do you mean just like pin this up here like that? I see. Okay. I get it. Okay. So I can have that up the whole time while I'm flying. I got you. I got you now. Okay. Thank you. So now you were saying if I do it again, I should just be able to pick another one of those 3 points. Okay, yeah, I see that there's only two of them now. Okay. Did I not activate it? Oh, no, it's activated. So for this one's not coming up. So how do I tell on the nav orb where it actually is? Because I don't see the navigation. It is active, right? Yeah, it is active. Is it just too far away for me to see? It's out towards those islands. So I think I'm kind of that's basically where I'm pointing now. Because that's where those islands out there are, right? Or am I too? Oh, it's those islands. I don't even see where east is on the nav. Oh, is that? So this is north, the orange line. Is that what that is? God, I can't read. Okay. Yeah, I can't read the numbers on here on my screen. I need a bigger monitor, I think. So that's, wait, this is 90? God, I can't read these numbers. Oh, that would help. Go like 75. Yeah, the numbers are like microscopic on my screen. Oh, that's volume? I thought that was okay. That shows you how much I pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, that's volume. So I don't want that to be higher. I guess it's in here. Mm, here we go. Flight UI elements, nav ball scale. Oh, it takes up so much more of my screen, but I can actually read the numbers now. So that's 90, 45, 90. Yeah. Okay. I'll need that on. Okay, well that's a little off. Oops. I'm definitely doing this wrong. Is that close enough? That looks like it's in between. That's like way off. I definitely fucked that one up. Try that again, because that's more like this direction. That looks more like the right direction. Just not sure if I'm gonna make it far enough. I think I should. Looks about right to me. Oh, I forgot to put the thing up on the screen. I'm gonna put it there. Pull this up. Hopefully that's close enough. No, it's still not close enough. Oh, now it might be too high. I don't I don't know. My judgment's so bad on this. And I'm definitely slightly off to the right. I think I'm way too high though. I think I'm too high. Okay, it says I'm in it now. I did not get it. I waited too long. Damn it, I waited too long. I have a hard time judging if I'm actually on track or not for these things. I'm like way overshooting that thing, I think. Got to do the pressure thing again. Oh, oh, wrong buttons. Can't see if I'm. I don't know where it went. Down there. Okay. Did I get it? Oh no, way too high. Okay. Yeah, there's so many things you have to pay attention to, and sometimes I just like completely forget that they exist. And then when it's too late by the time I go, oh wait, how high am I? Which direction am I going? Okay. And I don't know why, it kind of annoys me that um okay, let's see if that's low enough. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Move that. Oh, I can keep that up like that. Okay, even better. Maybe too low now. Oh, I keep hitting the wrong buttons. Yeah, I think I'm too low. All right. Need to go a little further than that. All right. CS on. Max that out. See if I can get it right this time. Well, it looks like it's like almost directly to it. Maybe a little off. like should really be like halfway between 90 and 135, it looks like. Okay, let's try that. See if that's low enough. Let's time warp it. Nope. I'm definitely missing this thing. How do you know when it's like where the degrees are on this? Because I I can see the direction here, but if I can't see it on the thing, it makes it hard for me to map it or plan it. And I don't see how is there somewhere that it tells me what the degrees should be? Let's try there. Okay. I guess I just got to get better at it because for me, it's it's impossible to tell. And then I look and I think I have it right. And then I launch it and it's like it ends up being like here or here. What do you mean don't take the experiment before you get there? Oh, I think I went way too high. Yeah, this is gonna be way too high, I think. Whoa. Oh, really? So just keep this open and then hit the... Oh, because I'm hitting log pressure data and it's catching it back there. I see. I'm too high again. Can I launch myself down? Fuck off. Might make it. Entering, but I have to be below 19. Did that get it? Please tell me that got it. Okay, that one got it. Okay. So it seems like you've played a lot of this game. Like, do you know how many hours you have in it? Strange River Dragon? Ow, I'm stuck. Alright, that's 2 out of the 3. Mm, I didn't. I've had this game a while, not 10 years. It was like, I don't know, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, maybe. It was during COVID, but I played it a little and then I just stopped playing it for a while. And like, it was mostly because of like, I actually was like homeless for a while and stuff like that. So like I couldn't play it because I didn't have a laptop that was powerful enough um to do the things. It couldn't handle the physics of the game. So while I was homeless, I just couldn't touch it, and I kind of forgot about it for a while. But one of my coworkers recently, they were talking about like launching stuff into space because um their uni is like one of the courses in uni for them is like to build a CubeSat and actually launch it into space. Um, so we were talking about that, and I brought up Kerbal Space Program because I was like, that's the only way I'm ever launching anything into space. And he's like, oh, I've done that too, and then I was like, yeah, but now you're actually getting to launch something into space for real, which is really awesome. Um, but it made me think about it, and then I was like, I should really try picking it up again and see if I can play it. Oh, good. I'm really tired today. Today's been a long day. What was that? So now we need to get to, hey, oh, it starts you on the opposite side of where everything is. Okay, activate that one. So this one is going to be, it's not on there again. So best judgment is gonna be like there, I guess, because it's overland, or no, it's over ocean. So maybe not there. Maybe more like there. 45 degrees-ish, guessing. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Fuck. How do I undo this when I do it? Reset experiment. Okay. Pin you up here. Open this up so I can actually see it. Turn on sats. Full speed. Oh, I'm a little off, it seems. Nope, wrong way. This way more. This way more. So it's like halfway between. You would think I fly real drones in real life. So you would think that I'd be better at judging how to turn and maneuver. Okay, it's getting there. That might Oh no, that fucked up. I wasn't supposed to do that. Oops. That put too much drag. But yeah, like flying, I fly drones for real life. That's really cool. Um, I wish I got the chance to do something like that. Since him and I talked about the CubeSat project that he has to do. Um, I was like thinking about like what kind of stuff I would do. And since I worked a lot with um like radio frequencies and radio transmissions, it would probably be something to do with that. Like I was thinking like a detector that picks up like the background radio frequencies out in space and then like relays them down to Earth or something like that. That seems like a fun project. Let's see. So, gotta go out this way. Right here-ish? Because I was a little off last time. It's a lot closer. Don't show me the right thing. Yeah, it's really close in direction. Not perfect, but it's a lot closer. Might as well use it up. That looks pretty good. There we go. Yeah, I really wish that I got a chance to do more stuff like that. Unfortunately, I didn't go to school for like engineering and stuff like that, like him and some of my other coworkers have. He tends to take a lot more of the space oriented classes because he's a pretty big space nerd. Um, but still, like a lot of the projects that they work on, it's like stuff that I wish I could have worked on. Um, but my path to where I'm at is was a lot different than most people that were I work with in the industry that I'm in because I do UAS testing, so like drone testing, drone part testing, stuff like that. Um, I get to do a lot of a lot of similar stuff to what they do. Like I'm writing a lot of like automated tests for like uh, speed controllers and motors and stuff like that for the drones. But so that should be off my plate now, right? Yeah, it looks like it is. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give it. one more shot and see if I can get one of these a little quicker. Um, but if it takes too much time, I might have to call it quits and oh God, and call it end for the night. Okay, what do we got left? We have turn the way I need you to turn. Okay, so there's those ones there. Let's try and do this one since it's only one. So we have to get to stay below 18.5 kilometers and looks like it's pressure. Take pressure reading. Okay. So that should be pretty easy. Okay. And this one actually gives me the direction. Okay. So it's pointing this way. Turn on S8S. Let's actually get this thing. Nope. Up here. Get you up so I can see you. Oh geez. Today's been such a long day. I've been up since like 5:30 in the morning. I really should be in bed already, but I wanted to put some time in on the game and try and get some more stuff done. It's pretty good. Looks like I'm right on target. Within the range. Perfect. Dump the rocket. Have a little speed so I can get down faster. Is there a way to get it so that it's not so pitch black at night? Because, like, it starts to get to a point where, like, I just can't see shit. All right, that should take care of that one. See if we can knock, like, one of the three ones out. I like these ones kind of because, I mean, they're a little repetitive, but, like, you can knock a bunch of them out with the same ship, like, with the same shuttle, I should say. All right, let's try knocking these out. Oh, it does show it. Okay, cool. Let's take a quick look. Oh, there's ambient light boost. Um, it doesn't seem to do anything. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's amazing. So much better. I don't need it that bright. Do like 60%. Yeah, close enough. Thank you for that. That makes it so much better because I just start like struggling to see and like seeing at night. I used to be really good at like seeing at night and seeing in the dark and differentiating like different shades of dark. But as I've gotten older, it's like I might as well just fucking give up. All right, this is these ones. Which one am I pointing at? This one is Hannah's Folly. That's the last one. Okay. And that one's 19. Okay, so it's pretty much the same. So mark that. Max speed. Wrong button again. I don't want to run right into those fucking mountains. Feels like I'm going to though. Yeah, this looks like I'm about to like fly into that mountain. Oh shit, I forgot to thing. Soon enough? No, it wasn't soon enough. I wasn't paying attention. And I'm gonna smash into the ground. Yep. That's what I get for not paying attention again. Yeah, I noticed that like the experimental ones, they give you like interesting things. I have some like parts that like don't fit with anything. So I have to go higher so I don't hit that mountain. So we're gonna go a little higher of a degree. Let's do like that. Hopefully that's high enough. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that one. Damn it. All right, revert flight. I do that sometimes. I mean to hit the turn off the rocket and I'm like hitting spacebar because they're too close together and I my fingers just haven't gotten used to the button layout yet. Aiming that way. Max. Oh, too low. That, yeah, that should be pretty good. Maybe. Maybe it's too low. Try that. That looks pretty good. Looks like it's almost right on the bottom of it. Go up there, have that up so I can see it. Oh, you're right. Thank you for reminding me. How close am I? Oh, I already passed it. Damn it. All right, I'm getting closer. But I hit M. Coming out that way. Max. Looks pretty good. I can hit another one. Oh no, is that the same one? Oh, no, it's a different one. Am I close enough to be able to get it? Oh, I didn't even. Oh no, I did get it. Okay. No, it looks like it's too far to the left. Did I get it? No, I wasn't paying attention again. So I didn't get the second one. I almost was able to get two of them, but I fucked up. Oh, so I have to hit log temperature. See, this is why I thought I can't do it twice, because it when I click temperature or log temperature, it says it's gonna overwrite temperature scan. So that's why I thought I couldn't do more than one of them without like another thermometer. It's okay. At least I can get that one again, because that one's fairly close. Okay, that's good to know. Cover. Getting a bit better at this. And let's try and get the last couple, because I have a little bit more time. I mean, I don't really, because I'm like exhausted, but I feel like I could just knock these out and get at least one more contract done. Oh shit, this one doesn't show up. But it's kind of the same direction. Slightly left more? Okay. Little off, but not that bad. Should be good. It's pretty close to on target. A little off, but not that bad. Hopefully it's close enough. Yeah, there we go. Alright, there's two. My one. Oh no, it's charged. Okay, I can unplug this. Oh, I didn't realize that you can get more. I thought once you got a surface reading, it was just like that's it. You did it. I didn't realize that there's other biomes that'll help. Okay. I guess that makes sense though, because there's different areas and the pressure readings are going to be different. Okay. One more, and then I can call it quits. Oh, there's like all this debris out here. Getting some money back. Sure, there's probably more. Yep, out there. Nice. Almost to 800. Okay, let's see if I can get the last one. So the last one's going to be further right than the others, I believe. So we're going to go more like that, I think. Let's try like right there. See how close I am. That looks pretty good. Whoa. Oh, fuck. I hate when I do that. Ooh. I definitely fucked that up. I am too high. Dang it. I gotta do that one again. I let the rocket burn for too long. Or I was angled too high, one of the two. But it was the right direction. It's like right about there. Oh, I went the wrong direction. That looks pretty good. Oh, I ran out of fuel already? I think that should be good though. Was enough? A little too far left. Should have been a little more right. I don't know if I'm gonna be within range or not. Yeah, I should have been more right. Oh, I got it anyway. Sweet. That wasn't too bad. It looked like it was flashing right at the edge, so I was just like, let me just push it. Worst case, it doesn't work, and I have to do it again anyway. But that seems to have worked out. And that knocks another one off. What else do we have? Launch site. Let's splash down. Let's do the launch site one. So that one should be pretty quick and easy too. Hi, Flaming Frog. You're catching me right at the end of the stream. I'm just trying one more mission, and then that should be it for the night. So now we gotta use the flea. Can I just put a coupler on here? Yeah, I've done a handful of crew reports. I don't know when I should be doing them outside of the missions though. Like I've run a couple just because, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm like really getting anything out of them outside of it. Like I understand like what you were saying before with um the the what's it called? I understand that the what you were saying before about like the different biomes and like doing pressure um experiments in different biomes. But like I don't know when the crew reports are important or if like when they matter or when they're actually going to give me anything back out of it. I've just been kind of doing them randomly unless the mission asks for it. I also don't know. Oh, geez, I'm really tired. I also don't know when the the goo stuff makes sense to do. I don't think I've even gotten any missions that relate to the goo stuff. I just do the experiments and I'm like, okay, there's stuff. That's good. So that should be most of the missions that I took on. Yeah, I only have 3 active left. All right, I'm gonna call it quits there. I'm pretty tired and it's been a long day. But I'm gonna try and keep doing this because this is a lot of fun. And I really appreciate your help, uh, Strange River Phoenix, because like there's a lot of stuff in this that just like they don't tell you in the tutorials or anywhere. And like when I start playing, I'm just like, how are you supposed to know any of this? I guess a lot of people just do research and like share information on how to do it online and stuff like that. But it's made it a lot easier to like get more done with your help. Um, like I could use more help on like what makes sense here to like upgrade? Like should I be upgrading the tracking station? Does it really matter? Like should I just upgrade all of it as I can? Um, I'm not really sure. So like stuff like that would help too. And like as far as like the research tree, which I can get more now, like should I be doing flight controller first, aviation, advanced rocketry? Like what makes the most sense? Um, like I see all of them give interesting stuff, but like sometimes I get them and I'm like, okay, half the stuff I got out of this is useless. Like this one, I'm not using this. I'm not using these. Um, like the launch stability stuff. I don't think I'm building rockets big enough yet that require them. But like that's the kind of stuff that like I don't understand and know yet. And I don't think I even got this far into the skill tree and into upgrading things the last time I played. Because I didn't play for super long, and honestly, like a big part of what I was doing back then was just like the sandbox mode where I was just building whatever the fuck I wanted. But this time I'm trying to like stick to um like actually playing the career mode. And so it's like forcing me to learn a lot more, but um it gets frustrating sometimes because I'm just like, what the fuck am I supposed to do here? What like like I've had to Google so much stuff. Oh, that's good. I upgraded this once, so it's at level 2. This one I have not upgraded at all. But I have enough money to upgrade both of them. I'll just do that. So mission controls upgraded to level 3. All right, I can't afford that one. That's a little expensive right now. This one's fully upgraded. Okay. Um, next time I can try and upgrade the tracking station. I'm assuming the DSN power that it says that's like the power for like how far I can transmit information back. Like with the like when I do experiments and I want to do it over transmission. I'm assuming that's what that is, but I don't really know. Anyway, I really appreciate all your help. It's helped a lot, and I hope you keep coming back and hanging out and helping me because it's been really nice. And I hope to see you again soon. And I'm gonna call it quits for the night. But thanks for hanging out. Have a good one.